To set your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra to ask you before connecting to an auto hotspot device, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Tap connection. Next, tap Wi-Fi. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. And then tap intelligent Wi-Fi. Tap auto hotspot connection. And then select ask before connecting. With this setting, your phone will ask you before it connects to an auto hotspot connection. In other words, this will let you to choose to continue the process to connect to an auto hotspot connection or not. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.